dances out. We have Sant Anthony pass to begin in the hay. Moving a party out, so now is Multiply. Then followed by Botbo, Zanteria, and Run the Dance is the early trailer. We have in the hay, the leader, and on the outside is Multiply. Alain can have back in third, Zanteria. Moving a party outside, Sant Anthony. Botbo in fifth, and Run the Dance. Back to the leader. Now we have Multiply takes the lead by about 3/4 of a length. In the hay is down on the inside second. Alain can have back in third, Sant Anthony. Botbo is racing in fourth, Run the Dance, and Santeria now racing in last. And that's still Multiply by about 2 lengths. Then here comes Sant Anthony. Now trying to get closer in second. In the hay, Botbo now to take third. Then followed by Run the Dance and Santeria. And that's still Multiply by Lalenka. Sant Anthony moving up, Botbo the outside. Multiply, Botbo is on the outside. This time 3 runners fighting out for the lead. Multiply, Botbo is on the outside. Sant Anthony is down on the inside. As they come down at the last 150, we have Multiply, Botbo fighting out for the lead. Sant Anthony in third. Botbo is on the outside. Multiply, Sant Anthony. Botbo, Multiply keep on fighting out for the lead. Multiply, Botbo is on the outside. Multiply once again. And finally, Multiply, Botbo, Sant Anthony. Then comes Santeria, Run the Dance, and In the Hay.
Gulat yun ha, si Botbo nakasama na kaagad sa harapan eh.
Anyway, maganda ron yung magme-meta.